That's it. We're done. Congratulations. In about half an hour, you've seen how Excel is used to answer real business questions. Let's review what we've covered. In the first case study about a flower shop, we started from the very beginning, a blank worksheet. I showed you how to enter and edit data, and how to use formulas to make calculations. I showed you the spreadsheet structure with rows and columns. I showed you how to make simple calculations with AutoSum. I showed you some basic formatting, like updating column widths, changing fonts and alignments, and working with number formats. And I showed you how to filter and sort data. The second case study started with a list of every sales invoice for a small company. It introduced some advanced functions like if and VLOOKUP. I showed you how to work with pivot tables to summarize large sets of data and to make charts to visualize the results. With the pivot table, you were able to answer real business questions like who are the top 10 customers, what are the top selling products, and what are the sales results by product line by region, and is there a trend in the data? So you've got a great foundation to continue your study of the use of Excel in business. You're better prepared for a job interview, and you're ready to start an accounting course. You're off to a great start, so let's move on to the next step. I'd like to invite you to take one of my intermediate courses. Like this course, they're based on authentic case studies. They go into more detail to show you step by step how to use Excel functions. Many more functions are covered, along with more business concepts, like calculating a profit margin. These courses both have very high recent ratings by other Udemy students, 4.8 and higher. And because you've taken this course, you're entitled to a 50% discount when enrolling in one of the next courses. And use the coupon code QUICKWIN50. Again, thanks. I really appreciate it. If you like the course, I'd appreciate a good review. And good luck in your studies and your career. Hope to see you soon in one of my other courses. Thanks.